Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable all notification sounds in Discord. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. First, open Discord and go to Settings. Then click on Notifications and scroll down until you find the options to disable all notification sounds. After that, turn it on and Discord will stop playing notification sound. If you want to mute specific sounds, click on Voice and Video. There you will find different sound options that you can turn off individually so you can keep only the sounds you want. Another easy way to mute all sounds is by enabling Streamer mode. So go to Appearance, open Streamer mode and turn it on. This not only mutes notification sounds but also help hide personal information while you are streaming or recording. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.